Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry a ribeye steak. And it's been sitting out for about 30 minutes now. Sitting out the refrigerator. I washed it, seasoned it, and I rubbed it with some yellow mustard and my lemon pepper seasoning. I've never had a lemon pepper steak before. And I just put some Worcestershire sauce on it just now. So it's about, what's that, inch thick. So I'm going to use my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. Plug it in. It's sitting on a rolling countertop tray. I'll leave the link for that. Do I want to preheat it? No, I ain't preheating nothing. Season both sides good. Just swirling this seasoning around in here. See, I got mustard on it. And it won't taste like mustard. It'll just be seasoned good. Okay, that's good. You don't need any oil. As you know, meat have their own juices, make their own oil. That's how it looks going in here. I like a medium well steak. Turn it on. And steak setting, mine is going to take about 9 minutes. I'll put 10 minutes. Start. And I will be back. Okay, got 1 more minute. I added 2 more minutes for 12 minutes. And so that's 1 more minute to go. Because I don't want no bloody steak. I'm going to stop it now. I don't want it tough and dry either. This is how it looks. Oh, I added some potato wedges in here. Look at that. Y'all hear that sizzle? Okay. Let me get my plate. See how the back looks. I didn't flip the steak at all. I like how air fried steak is crispy on the edges and nice and tender and juicy on the inside. Let me make sure the steak is done. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Cut right in the center. Supposed to let your steak rest. So while it's resting, I can be eating. Nice, nice, nice. Let me put my potatoes on here. With a spatula. And Walter just got home. So he had to fix his steak. Well, he don't eat this early no way. He be playing with his food. I'll wash this out a little later. That's the cleanup. I always unplug my stuff. Okay, before I put any sauce on it, I'm going to show y'all how. Is this on? Yeah. I'll cut it right here. That looks medium well to me. And it's juicy. Let's see. Yeah, it's juicy. Let me eat this piece. Oh. Lemon pepper steak. Okay. It was good, y'all. Let me put my sauce on it. I'm going to add some country box. All-purpose sauce, steak, chicken, and fries. One of my honeys sent me this. I had never heard of it before. But it's good. And I always use a couple different sauces on my steak. I don't have any A1. I don't even have any fake A1. Got a little bit of Heinz 57 sauce left. I just killed this. And I'm going to add a little more Worcestershire. What's this here sauce? Y'all can't see what I'm doing. Just a little. I call this a little. These ketchup for the fries. Over there. I want to hold it and give a thumbnail. Yeah, here for the steak. Okay, like I said, it's crispy on the edges. It's tender. It's very tender. And I didn't marinate it. It just sat in the plate, seasoned, for about 30 minutes to get to room temperature before I cooked it. So this is my lemon pepper seasoned ribeye steak. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Bon appetit. Bye.